Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Law, Logic, and Life, where we simplify the law and connect to everyday life. Our today's topic is cyber stalking. What is cyber stalking? Cyber stalking is the repeated use of electronic communication to harass or frighten someone. It is the repeated use of electronic communication such as Facebook, WhatsApp, X, Instagram, emails, text messages, or any other computer network to harass, threaten, intimidate, or target another person. Previously, we talked about criminal intimidation, which it also simply means threatening someone. Criminal intimidation and cyber stalking are similar offenses, but they are provided under different law and they have slight differences. For example, in criminal intimidation, the threat has to be physically, like face to face, before it can amount to criminal intimidation, while cyber stalking is must happen online. If it happens physically, is criminal intimidation, but when it happens online, is cyber stalking. You can call it cyber bullying. It means the same thing. The Nigerian law does not provide um anything about cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is being charged under cyber stalking. So whether cyberbullying, cyber stalking, it's same thing under the Nigerian law, under the Cyber Crimes Act. So in criminal intimidation, the threat has to be once. A one-time threat will amount to criminal intimidation, but in cyber stalking, the threat or harassment or intimidation has to be continuously. Yes, it has to be repeatedly before it can amount to cyber stalking. So what is the punishment for cyber stalking? The punishment for cyber stalking is 5 years imprisonment or an option of fine of 7 million naira, or both 5 years imprisonment and 7 million naira fine. Yes. So what section provide for cyber stalking? Previously, it was section 24 of the Cyber Crimes Prohibition and Prevention Act 2015 that provide for cyber stalking. But now, section 5 of the Cyber Crimes Amendment Act 2024 has amended the section 24 of the Cyber Crimes Prohibition and Prevention Act 2015. So what are the examples of cyber stalking? Sending unwanted messages to someone repeatedly, monitoring someone online activity, um posting harassing comments online, creating fake accounts to monitor someone or to harass them or to threaten them, is cyber stalking. These are all examples of cyber stalking. And also, posting someone's private information online in order to embarrass them also amounts to cyber stalking. And the punishment for cyber stalking is 5 years imprisonment or an option of fine of 7 million naira. Yeah. So don't allow anyone intimidate you, harass you, bully you online. Yeah, under the Nigerian law, we don't have anything like cyberbullying under the Nigerian law. We only have cyber stalking. But cyberbullying is being charged under the cyber stalking provision. Yeah, so when someone is repeatedly harassing you online, posting, threatening you online, or posting harassing comments or threatening you online, and is putting you in constant fear of your life, is cyber stalking. And you can file a lawsuit. Yes, you can file a lawsuit to stop that person. All these fake accounts created to harass or threaten someone, they can always be traced. It doesn't matter whether it's a fake account or a real account, it can always be traced back to the person that creates it. So your freedom of speech does not give you the right to threaten someone or harass someone or intimidate someone online. No. Where your freedom stop, another person's freedom starts there. So you cannot use your own freedom to violate another person's freedom. Everybody has freedom of dignity to human person, so much as we all have freedom of speech. So why exercising your rights, your fundamental rights, be careful not to violate another person's fundamental rights. Yes. So there is also something I would like to talk about, like the section 26 of the Cyber Crimes Act talks about racist and xenophobic offenses, like using computer to spread uh, information or false information that incites hatred or violence based on race, ethnicity, color, or religion is also an offense. There are xenophobic offenses, racist and xenophobic offenses. So be careful of how you catch your cruise online, and while doing your online banters or cruise, just make sure you are doing it within the purview of the law and not to commit any offenses. If someone has been cyber stalking you, just get screenshots of that person's constant harassment or threats. Screenshot everything and keep it, and then file a lawsuit. Yes. Aside that person's spending 5 years imprisonment or paying 7 million naira fine, it can also pay you for your uh, mental damages. Like he will also pay damages for your mental distress or for the cost of litigation. Yes, he will also pay you. The person must compensate you. So don't allow anybody harass you or intimidate you or threaten you. When it's done physically, it's criminal intimidation. When it happens online, is cyber stalking. Remember, criminal intimidation happens once. A one-time threat amounts to criminal intimidation. But in cyber stalking, the harassment or threats or intimidation has to be continuously, like repeatedly, before it can amount to cyber stalking. Hope you learned something new today. Please remember to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in my next video.